Okay, so it's not much of an update here, but I have spent the last, I don't know, 45 minutes or so just trying to get this angle sorted out. Um, Basically, trying to get the dividing head set on an angle that will allow me to cut the entire depth of the tooth between the two teeth, the valley between the two teeth. Being a bevel gear, it's not the same depth from here as it is to here. So I've been kind of, again, eyeballing it basically. And I'm going to show you guys what I wound up doing to finally get it to where I'm pretty happy with it. I was starting off by kind of running the table in and out like that and just kind of using this Allen wrench as a spacer there to see if I was getting the right depth from front to rear, but I wasn't exactly getting the results that I was happy with on that. I mean, I was kind of there, but I'm probably just as much there with the method that I wound up using as I was with the Allen wrench anyways. But ultimately what I wound up doing was taking this and that and eyeballing down from this rule down to this little square. And that feels like and looks like something I can live with. So again, this isn't going to be a super high precision thing. So if it's off by a few degrees or the width of the teeth aren't perfect, it's just not going to make enough of a difference to worry about for what this is going to be doing, for what it's going to be used for. So, plus I wound up putting on my 27 hole dividing plate that I made, gosh, I don't even know how long ago now. For whatever reason, the dividing plates that came with this dividing head, none of them have a 27 or a 63 hole plate. So had to make one for another project. I don't know if it was an 18 tooth something or other, but luckily it works for this 36 tooth gear that I need to make. So got that installed. Ran it around a little bit to make sure that it's staying in alignment with the teeth on this gear. So it looks like one rotation plus 3 holes gives me the spacing that I need to cut these teeth. So seeing as I do not have a proper gear cutting saw blade yet, or cutter, it's going to take multiple iterations, multiple cuts, multiple angles on this to get this where I want it to be. I did contemplate getting a gear cutter, but I thought, oh, what the heck. I can, if I really, really need it to be that much better than what I can do with just this alone, I can always make a D-bit cutter later on. I've been looking at the profile of these teeth with the magnifying glass, and it doesn't look like there's so much roundness to the teeth that I should have too much trouble getting something reasonable just using a straight cutter with, multiple passes through the gear at any rate. But like I said, if push comes to shove, I'll make some kind of D-bit cutter that's to a shape that works better for me. But anyways, that's where I'm at now. So maybe later tonight or tomorrow evening, I will actually put the gear blank on and make the initial 36 cuts. And then I'll go back to this gear and set the dividing head at whatever oddball angle I need to start shaving the sides of the teeth down. Oh, and of course, you know, the other thing is it's not the same depth front to back, nor is it the same width front to back. So I also have to compensate for that as I do this as well. So anyways, lots of angles to try to screw up. So anyways, that's where I'm at. I'll catch you guys later.